Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the arithmetic operators in detail. So, what is an arithmetic operator? When we want to perform some mathematical operations like addition and subtraction, we use the arithmetic operators. There are 6 main arithmetic operators in Python which we are going to look in this video. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential. Now we will look into an example to understand how this operator works. In this example, we have two variables called a and b with a value 5 and 2 respectively. Now we are going to perform an addition operation of the variable a and b and assigning to another variable. So in this case, we are performing addition operation with the addition operator and assigning the output to another variable called add. If we print the variable add, the output will be 5 plus 2, which is nothing but 7. Let's check it out. Sorry guys. Yep. Now we'll perform a subtraction operation on the variable a and b. In this example, we are subtracting variable b with the value 2 from variable a, the value 5. So the result will be 5 minus 2, which is 3, and it should be assigned to a variable called sub. If we print, the result should be 3. Let's check it out. And here we go. Now we will perform the multiplication operation on the variable a and b. We are performing the multiplication operation with the operator multiple, and we are assigning the output to another variable. If we perform this operation, the output should be 10, which is nothing but 5 into 2, 10. Here we go. In this example, we are trying to perform a division operation of the variable a and b. We are trying to divide a by b, which is nothing but 5 dividing by 2, and the result should be 2.5. Let's run the program and check it out. Here we go. Now we are trying to perform modulus operation of the variable a and b. If we print, the result should be 1. When we try to find the modulus value of 5 over 2, the output should be 1. Let's check it out. Here we go. In this example, we are trying to find the exponent's value of the variable a and b. If we run this, Python interpreter should display an output of 25, which is nothing but 5 into 5. Let's check it out. And the result is 25. Hope you guys understood in detail about the arithmetic operators and how arithmetic operators works. See you guys in the next video.